Okay, the only maintenance you need to do on your Laurastar ironing system, Smart U, is flushing the boiler once a month or once every 10 hours of use. Let me show you how easy it is to do that. Lift the ironing system all the way to the top at its highest level. Obviously do it when it's cold. Remove your clean water tank there. The drain tray that came with the machine, put that underneath, okay? And the first thing you should do is open up the drain plug, okay? So just unscrew that, but make sure you do it when it's cold, okay? And the water will dribble out, okay? If you want to, just take that out. Make sure that the washer is not perished. If you need another washer, just give us a call and we'll send it out to you. Okay, this one's hot. Disregard the steam because we've been demonstrating with it, but you should do it when it's cold only, okay? Do it when it's cold, okay? Not when it's hot. So remove the drain plug. If you want the water to run out a bit faster, open the pressure cap at the top and the water will run out a bit faster, okay? I'll show you one last thing, how you flush the system. If you haven't done it for a while, you've got calcium built up inside, let me show you. The lid becomes a funnel. Remove the lid cap I should say, sit that inside here, add some water to your water bottle, okay? So that's the lid cap, let me just show you that again. So just take that off, that sits inside here. Then you put the water bottle on top of the lid cap. Now this little spring, I'm not sure if you can see that, little spring will hit a little pin on the lid and sit it on there and watch how the water comes running out. Okay, so what we're doing here is flushing the system. So we're flushing out any impurities, calcium, anything that's in the water that could cause the iron to spit, all right? Once a month or every 10 hours of use, okay? If unsure, just do it a bit more frequently. It's not going to hurt. It only takes a couple of minutes, but do it when it's cold, please.